Hello YouTube, this is EnderTech27. Today we'll be talking about an application called SmallWindows. Now this program is based off of the Mac operating system's Expose program, which is a Windows Manager program that makes it a lot easier to navigate between windows, especially using the Windows interface. So I have it open right here, so I'll just show you the settings real quick. So what this does is it basically has it so you can go over and it will show a preview of all of your windows open right on your desktop, and then it will zoom in on the ones you want. So you can choose to have it in a hot zone, so by putting your mouse here in the top left corner you can have it be activated, or you can set it to any of the other corners, and then that way it will zoom out of what you're doing and then show all of the windows that you have open, and then you get to choose which one you would like to open. It's a great way to kind of keep track of what you're doing. Let me just do a quick demonstration of what this program does. Alright, so I have a few programs open here to demonstrate what this application does. So right now I have SmallWindows set to be activated with the top left corner. So if I scroll my mouse over to the top left corner, you can see how everything just I got a grid view of all the open applications. Now don't worry about this black screen for right now. That's actually what I'm recording right now, so it's not really, this is just basically a screen capture of everything I'm doing. But what this is it shows all of the different things I have open. So here you see I have a new document open. I have my Twitter page, EnderTech27. I have my channel, my YouTube channel, EnderTech27. And if I just go and click on one of these, it opens straight to that application or window. It's a really convenient tool to have. It's definitely nice to be able to kind of copy something that the Mac has already proved to be a great thing. And you can also go over and you can set it to, so when you're doing this you can either click the numbers. You'll notice there's numbers at the bottom, so if you type in the number you can actually jump to that specific one, or you can go over and you can actually start typing in whatever the name of the website or the Word document you're working on. It will jump to that one, which is kind of cool, but not really a feature I use that much. So let's go back into the settings and see what else we can do with this. So along with the hot zones that I mentioned earlier, there's also a miniature all key, so that's basically the same thing. It just gives you that grid view and has you view what you want to choose for an application or a window that's open. Right here is miniature related, so that's the same thing, only in this instance if I was to activate it, seeing as I have two Google Chrome windows open, it would view only those two because those are the duplicates that are opening. Now show hide desktop, that's pretty self-explanatory. So if I set this to this corner, for example, if I went over here, it would basically do what Windows already does, which is it would just hide everything, which is kind of redundant, but you can set it to either side. It doesn't have to be the one where the Windows usually has it. Also, you can set the background, so you'll notice in the background it was actually a gradient of black and blue. You can actually choose your current wallpaper, which is what I have right here. Advanced features, and you can exclude windows, so if you don't want a window showing up in the grid, you can do that. Obviously zooming, I really like that, which is it shows you a close-up view, which is a lot easier than just taking it for what it is. A live update, this is basically like if you're streaming a video or something online, it tries to keep track of where you are in the video, so like the preview of the window that you have in the grid, it will try to keep up with that as it's playing, which is kind of cool. You can, not really that much of a use, but that says enable on fast machines only. So if you're having any trouble with this, I'd suggest unchecking this. And then prefetch window contents increases speed but results in artifacts. So this basically just goes over and takes everything from your window. So as I said before, you can go over and start typing in whatever the window is about. So if I typed in Twitter or like YouTube or Word document or something, it would start showing up right away. So this is a pretty cool application to have as far as Windows management goes. Again, this is freeware. It's available completely free of charge. I'll put the website, the download link in the video description. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about this, feel free to comment. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's EnderTech27, as you can see here. Or you can follow or subscribe to my videos on my own channel, which is EnderTech27 as well. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate you watching this video, and hopefully I'll have more to come.